Zero credit score. No credit history. Nothing. If that is where you are standing right now, you are not alone, and you are not stuck. Millions of Americans wake up every single day with a credit score of 0, and most of them have no idea that there is a fast, proven, and completely legal path out of that financial invisibility. What you are about to learn in this video is going to change the way you think about money, credit, and your entire financial future. So stay right here, because the next few minutes could literally be worth thousands of dollars to your life. Imagine walking into a dealership and driving off with a brand new car. Imagine getting approved for your first apartment without a cosigner. Imagine holding a credit card in your hand that is yours, earned, and built on your own name. That is not a fantasy. That is a destination, and this video is your roadmap right now. Someone just like you, with zero credit history, is taking the exact steps you are about to learn and building a credit score from scratch in record time. The only question is, are you ready to do the same? Before we go any further, if you are serious about building wealth and living the financial life you deserve in America, hit that subscribe button right now and ring that notification bell. Share. This channel delivers real, practical, no-fluff financial strategies that actually work. New videos drop every week, and you do not want to miss a single one. Now let us get into it. So, what does it actually mean to have a zero credit score? It does not mean you have bad credit. It does not mean you have made financial mistakes. It simply means the credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion do not have enough information about you to generate a score. You are what the industry calls credit invisible. In America, being credit invisible is like trying to drive on the highway without a license plate. You exist, but the system cannot see you, and that creates a massive wall between you and financial opportunity. Here is what most people do not understand. Building credit from zero is actually easier than rebuilding bad credit. You do not have a damaged history to overcome. You are starting with a clean slate. And with the right strategy, you can go from zero to a real score in as little as 30 to 60 days. The very first thing you need to do is open a secured credit card. This is the single most powerful tool available to someone with no credit history. A secured credit card works exactly like a regular credit card, except you put down a deposit, usually between $200 and $500, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. Use the card, you make payments, and the card issuer reports your activity to the credit bureaus. That reporting is what builds your score. Keep your credit utilization below 30% at all times. So if your limit is $300, never carry a balance higher than $90. Even better, keep it below 10%. Pay your balance in full every single month before the due date. Payment history makes up 35% of your total credit score calculation. One missed payment can set you back months. One consistent streak of on-time payments builds momentum that snowballs into a solid score faster than you think. Next, look into credit builder loans. These are specifically designed for people starting from zero. Instead of receiving the money up front, the lender holds the funds while you make monthly payments. Once you have paid off the full amount, you receive the money. Throughout the entire process, every payment gets reported to the credit bureaus. Companies like Self and Credit Strong offer them entirely online. Combining a secured credit card with a credit builder loan creates a credit mix, and having different types of accounts is a real factor in your score, too. Here is a strategy that almost nobody talks about, and it is completely free. Becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If you have a family member or close friend with good credit, ask them to add you to their account. You do not even need to use the card. Simply being listed as an authorized user means their payment history gets added to your credit report. This one move alone can jumpstart your score by dozens of points in a matter of weeks. 2. Also, sign up for Experian Boost. This free program lets you get credit for bills you are already paying. utility bills, cell phone bills, and streaming subscriptions. These payments normally do not appear on your credit report. Experian Boost changes that. People with zero credit history have seen scores appear out of nowhere after using it, sometimes starting in the 600s right away. Here is your simple month-by-month roadmap. In month 1, open a secured credit card, apply for a credit builder loan, sign up for Experian Boost, and if possible, get added as an authorized user. In month 2, make every payment on time and keep your utilization low. By month 3, your first official score should appear, likely between 580 and 640. By month 6, with consistent behavior, many people climb into the upper 600s. By month 12, some people break into the 700s, which is considered very good credit in America. The most important thing to avoid is applying for too many accounts at once. Every application triggers a hard inquiry that can temporarily drop your score. Be strategic. Solo. Apply for one thing at a time and let your history grow naturally. Also, check your credit reports regularly. Roughly 1 in 5 Americans has an error on at least one report. Wrong balances, payments marked late when they were not, or someone else's account mixed in with yours. Disputing errors is free. It is your legal right, and it can have an immediate positive impact on your score. A credit score is not just a number, it is a key. It opens doors to better apartments, lower interest rates, business funding, and financial freedom that cash alone can never buy in this country. You started with 0. That is not a weakness. That is a blank canvas. And what you build on it from this moment forward is entirely up to you. If this video gave you real value, share it with someone who needs it. A younger sibling, a friend who just moved to the United States, someone who is struggling financially and does not know where to start. You might be the reason their entire financial life turns around. Subscribe to this channel, because there is a whole lot more where this came from. Real strategies. Real results. Built for real Americans who are ready to take control of their money. We will see you in the next video.